Well, what's up, y'all? I'm back like vertebrae. I'm gonna go through a quick run through of how I strip some color from the hair. I did a watercolor, but it ain't come out like I want. It had some green undertones, so I'm just gonna strip it. This is what you're gonna need: baking soda, some soap, that VO5 98-cent clarifying shampoo, and did I use the purple shampoo? I didn't think I used the purple shampoo. So anyway, I started with my boiling water. This is the unit right here. See, that's that color. We ain't want that. So that's what I did. I got some I boiled some water on the stove. I mixed all my ingredients. The sulfates in the clarifying shampoo react with the, you know what, y'all ain't come here for that. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just combing it out. Got that color out of there, and like as you can see the color just slowly coming out, is stripping the colors out of the unit. It was 3 different semi-permanents on here. This only worked for semi-permanent. If you got permanent hair color, ooh, look at that water. Look like the Mississippi River. Ooh. Yeah, if you got permanent color, you're gonna have to go talk to a specialist for real and spend some coins. So this is just me doing it a couple other times. You can see, yeah, finally. Then I rinsed. The water was too hot. I kept burning my hand. I'm like, ah! But I ain't care. I'm a soldier. So now I'm about to shampoo it and condition her up. You know, just to get that exuberance back in my unit. Got to get that exuberance. I'm just washing up, detangling it, getting it up out of there. Then I rinse it with water, and it's the finished product. Voila.